How to properly complete IRS Form SS4 for obtaining a 98 EIN number. This guide is specifically for participants in the 98 Trust Administrator Masterclass. The purpose is to provide a step-by-step explanation of how to fill out IRS Form SS4 correctly to obtain a 98 EIN, Employer Identification Number. Ways to apply for a 98 EIN. 1. By phone, recommended. Call the IRS at their 267 number, link provided in the description. This is the fastest method, taking only a few minutes to complete. Once successful, the IRS representative will provide the 98 number over the phone and mail the EIN confirmation letter to the domestic mailing address listed on Form SS4. 2. By fax or mail. This method can take weeks to process. Use this option only if phone access is not available. Step-by-step instructions for Form SS4. 1. Naming the 98 trust. Choose a name for your trust, avoid using the all-caps name, your legal entity name. The name can be anything you choose, but it should not include any reference to the all-caps name. 2. Providing your personal name. When asked for your name, provide your natural name, not the all-caps name associated with the Social Security number. Distancing yourself from the all-caps entity is critical for the trust separation. 3. Address information. Foreign address, items 4A and 4B, use a foreign address to establish the 98 trust as a foreign grantor's trust for tax purposes. Mailing address, items 5A and 5B, use a domestic remote mailing address, such as one provided by services like Anytime Mailbox, link provided in the description. This address is essential for receiving IRS correspondence, including the EIN confirmation letter. Tip: a domestic remote mailing address ensures privacy and maintains the separation of the trust's principal place of business from your physical location. 4. Principal place of business. Use the foreign address for the trust's principal place of business. This should match the address listed in items 5A and 5B. 5. Responsible party. Boxes 3 and 7A. The responsible party is your natural name, distinct from the all-caps name on your birth certificate or Social Security card. 6. Type of entity. Box 9A. Select Foreign Grantor's Trust as the entity type. If asked for the grantor's TIN, tax identification number, respond with your natural name as the grantor and trustee but state that you do not have an SSN. 7. Start date and accounting year. Date of business start, use the date you applied for the 98 EIN number. Accounting year, use December for simplicity. 8. Signing the form. Sign and date the form. Optionally, include authorized representative after your signature, but it is not mandatory. Why a 98 EIN is important. The 98 EIN is critical for setting up the trust and its associated commercial security agreements. It is required to open a trust checking account and conduct business as the trust entity. Additional resources. Anytime Mailbox, a recommended provider for setting up a remote mailing address. Use the link in the description for possible discounts. Discord server. Join the server for advanced remedies and processes related to secured party creditors and sovereign processes, e.g., Forms 1099, 1040, 1041. Note: the Discord server contains additional documents and resources for further exploration. Conclusion: by following this guide, you can properly complete Form SS4 and successfully obtain a 98 EIN number for your trust. For more advanced remedies, join the Discord server or explore other resources in the description. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for future updates, share with others who may benefit from this information.